ViaPure Wellness in Clearwater, Florida, we believe your body has the power to heal when given the right support. Appointments are easy to schedule online, and our team is here to guide you every step of the way. That's why for over 13 years, we have helped people just like you with nutrition response testing, a non-invasive natural method that reveals exactly what your body needs. No two bodies are the same. That's why no two wellness plans should be either. We create individualized nutrition programs that target the root cause of your symptoms so you can feel better, live better, and thrive. ViaPure Wellness, personalized care, natural healing, proven results located right here in Clearwater.